Greetings, adventurers, and welcome to the workshops of Epic Armoury. Today, I'm standing here with Gabrielle, one of our artisan designers. And what are we doing today?
Today, we are going to show you how to change the aspect of this piece, the Defiant Shoulder Armour, and make it your own way into the Runus universe. So the first step would be making a rougher surface and have some fun with our edges. With some sandpapers and knives and cutters, we're gonna make an uneven surface for our edges. Some kind of barbarian style trimmings. Next step is doing some washing. So like with this paint and some water, we're gonna make it look like with a bit of battle-worn effect. So some cuts here and there, some hammer time, and some waterish paint. We are now marking down where we are gonna place the horns. Here, here, yeah, that looks good. And here we are.
The mountable demon horns have been placed on the leather shoulder armor to give it a wild and ferocious look. What kind of characters would even wear such an item?
Well, definitely not the refined adventurer from the Defiant universe. This is something much more for a barbarian, maybe, or a rough orcish warrior.
So coming up in the next episode, war paints. But until then, enjoy your modifications and see the fresh new products on epicarmoury.com.